Hi and welcome to Ctek. I'm Tony Zeal, and in this tutorial I'll be unboxing our MXS 3.8 battery charger and maintainer. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying Ctek. Okay, let's see what's in the box. This is the MXS 3.8 charger, and as you can see, it's got a tough sealed plastic case, a power lead and a charge cable with Ctek's unique Easy Fit Comfort Connect system. You also get a clamp lead set for quick connection to the battery, plus there's an M6 eyelet lead for more permanent connection if your battery is difficult to get to. Both of these leads have the Comfort Connect plugs, so you can connect them to the charger quickly and securely. It also means you can add other Ctek accessories fitted with the Comfort Connect system if you need them. You also get this neat drawstring carry bag, which will keep everything you need together and help keep out any dirt, dust and damp. Finally, there's the multilingual manual, which shows you how to use the charger and gives you all the technical specifications. Well, that's the MXS 3.8 unboxed. Thanks for watching.